Hello everybody and welcome back to this brand new video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna turn an old PC, we're gonna turn it into a server. But first, we need to understand what is a server. A server basically, ladies and gentlemen, is a PC, whether it's your PC or someone's PC or a Raspberry Pi, right? That it hosts a bunch of services or applications that you need. For example, Google is a server. It hosts services like Google Photos that we use to store our pictures, like YouTube to watch videos and stuff like that. So we're gonna install Proxmox to turn this one into a server, right? And then we can install Image to host our pictures instead of Google Photos, to install Navidrom to use it instead of what it's called, Spotify, to use AdGuard to block ads, in many more stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna need the operating system itself, which is, I don't know why the page didn't load, which is Proxmox. So we're just gonna search for Proxmox like this, and Proxmox, just search for it, search or click on the first link that shows up. And I think my internet connection is not working, or maybe the server is not working. Either way, right. So second thing we're gonna need is Rufus. So we're just gonna go to the Rufus website and we're gonna download the application. We're gonna use this application to burn the ISO on our USB. And of course, the internet connection is not working. So just hit on download the exe file and it will start downloading. But I think there is something wrong with the Proxmox server. Nah, I just my internet connection. Yeah, I just my internet connection. So we're gonna choose the newest one, which is this one, the 9.2. Just click here on learn more and then click on download right here. And then you can download the virtual environment, which is basically the server, and then the ISO file. Just click it, it will start downloading. Now we're gonna burn it into the USB. First of all, plug the USB into your PC, just like this. You're gonna hear it ring. And then we're gonna open our Rufus app. Of course, just hit yes and just give it a time to load. Here is your USB. Make sure you choose the USB, not a second drive or something like that. You would accidentally format. And then just the ISO file, just hit select Proxmox and okay, and then hit start. Remember, everything on that USB will be deleted, everything will be formatted, and the USB will start, or the USB will become a device. So no, I don't want to update, just hit start and it will do it. I already done it, so I'm not gonna waste time. Let's jump into the laptop. So we're gonna take our USB, we're gonna plug it into our laptop, and then this is very important, you need an RJ45 cable. So the Proxmox gets an IP address, so we're just gonna plug it into our PC like this, and we're gonna boot it. We're gonna boot into our BIOS or our boot menu. For me, it's gonna be F9, so I'm just gonna smash the hell out of F9, smash, and wait for it to boot. Right? Let's smash. What the hell? Come on, man. Boot. I'm not gonna cut the video because I want to show you in real life how this is going. Right? So we're gonna choose our USB drive, which is this, and we're gonna wait. So we're gonna hit on install Proxmox VE graphic. Just hit enter. Just give it time to load. If you have an HDD like me, it's gonna take time. If you have an SSD or even a powerful laptop, it's not gonna take that much time. So just give it time and I'll show you the process. Just give it time. This is Linux loading. This is perfectly normal. There are no errors, nothing in red. If there are some stuff in red, you might have a problem. If it's boots like this, you are golden, my friend. I think you can see better like this. So I'm just gonna pause it until it does something. Okay, the text is gone. I think we're gonna see something. Yes, we do, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, no support hardware acceleration. That's okay. My PC is old, as I said, so that's okay for me. This is the user license agreement. Just hit agree. This is just for personal use. So yes, make sure you choose the right disk here. Make sure you choose your hard drive. Just hit next. And I'm sorry if I'm recording like this, but I'm poor, so what you gonna do? Yes, this is my right time zone and everything. Here we're gonna create a password. I'm just gonna type in my name. It's okay, it's a local address, and then I'm gonna type in my name again, and here I'm gonna type in my Gmail. Give me a second. So we're gonna hit next. Password is short. Alright. Let's add something. I said password is too short. Okay, just hit next. That's nice. So the host name, I'm gonna keep it as it is. Here you need to give it the IP address that you will use to access it, and make sure no one else is using this IP address right here. So let's think of something smart. Let's go with 88. So 10.10.11.88. That's perfect. Everything's perfect. Hit next. Host name looks a valid fully qualified domain name. So here we're gonna put in host name. I'm gonna get one because I don't have it, and come back. So I just searched in Google and I'm gonna type in what it said because I don't have one. So we're just gonna go with pve.home pve.home.arpa, or is it arpa? Yes, RPA, and we just gonna hit next, and yeah, so automatically reboot after successful, state install, and yeah, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna delete that everything on that disk. It's gonna install Proxmox, and we gonna reboot and install whatever we want. So ladies and gentlemen, this was today's video. It was a short video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. If you did, drop us a like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Much of love.